is our Sophia. Let's go, Sophia. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a plus 1. Ooh, right forks. Oh my god, guys! One more blue! Oh! Okay, let's go, Sophia.
3.
Yes. 1, 2, 3. Okay, very good, Sophia. Oh my god. Okay, very lucky, Sophia. After this blue, now we have our SSR. Yes, SSR mobile phone chains. And this green hood is the crystal. 5A level crystal, my dear friend Sophia. Okay. Oh wow, very good. Congratulations, Sophia. You are super lucky. Let's go, everybody. Oh, one more. Beautiful one. Blue and fancy. Okay, let's go to check next one. Beautiful one. Purple dragonfly. Oh, one more. Here we go, Sophia. Okay, one more again. Black spiders. Okay, one more. Let's go. Okay, next one is our white skeleton colorful beads. Ooh, next one, very cool. White spider bling bling. Hi, Island, welcome. Welcome back. Ooh, this one, green with orange. Mixed color, nice. Yes. Yes, very nice. Ooh, peacock. Nice color. Now we go to move our last one, guys. Sophia.
Oh my god.
Wow, amazing.
Blue.
My gosh, Sophia. You win a lot. Let's go plus again. Okay. Hello everyone. Yes, 3 more. Let's go, plus 3 again. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Let's go. Oh, one more. Okay, white skeleton. Give you this one. Yeah, that's awesome. My gosh. You see SSR and 2 blue. My gosh, Sophia. How do you do? Such lucky. Purple. Okay, move to last one, Sophia. Let's go. Oh, one more. Okay. Same one, right? Let's go, plus 1. And change. Oh, give you this one. Butterfly. Yes. Okay, one more. Pink spider. Again, okay? Change. Give you purple spider. Okay. Oh, wow, guys.
So many.
Yeah, so many. And have a super beautiful.
SSR.
Yes, middle hood is real crystal. Okay, so thank you for your ordering, Sophia. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Wow, so many. Let's go, Sophia. Any other friends want to have a try, please pay through our BO website because we just opened our live, so don't need to wait a long time. After checkout, we'll move your order very quickly. Oh, okay. Next one, let's move to our Zoe. Let's go, Zoe.